Hi guys, my name is Len. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to say something that might make some people uncomfortable. I followed everything modern feminism told me to do. Be independent, don't need a man, focus on your career, delay love, be strong, be unbothered. And now that I'm in my late 20s, I see the parts no one warned me about. This is not a hate a video. This is a truth a video. This is the conversation I wish someone had me when I was 16 years old only. So, if you're 14 to 24, this is your big sister talk. I grew up in an Asian household. Respect, family, sacrifice. Those weren't just words, they were expectations. But online, I was learning something completely different. I was told you don't need anyone. Men are optional, focus only on yourself. Softness is weakness. So, I believe it, and I built my life around it. Let's be real about what we were taught. We were told we could have a perfect career, a perfect love life, a total independence, emotional freedom, and zero consequences for delaying everything. But here's the truth no one says clearly: time is not equal for men and women. That's not oppression, that's biology. At 18, you feel like you have forever. At 25, you start thinking. At 28, reality starts whispering louder. Let me tell you about something I kinda regret. So, when I was younger, I met someone who genuinely cared about me. He wasn't rich, he wasn't flashy, but he was kind, consistent, and serious. And I rejected him. Why? Mm, because I thought I can do better later. I need to focus on myself. I don't want to be tied down. So, years later, now I'm 28, I will turn 29. I look back and realize he wasn't holding me back. My mindset was. And by the time I understood that, mm, it's kinda late. He had already built a life with someone else. And now that I'm in my late 20s, there's a lot of lessons that I want to say or advise the younger generation. So here's what I understand. Mm, Not every good man looks exciting at first. Some of them look boring because they are stable, and stability becomes attractive when life gets real. It's like when you get older, independence is important. Yes, it's very important to have independence as an individual, but here's the part they don't tell you about. If you build a life where no one is needed, eventually no one fits it. You become a too guarded, too self-sufficient, too used to being alone, and you don't need anyone. And then when you want love, when you are stable, when you have career, when you have figure out things, you don't know how to receive it anymore because you were comfortable being alone. There was a time I was so proud of not needing anyone when I was younger and very independent. I paid my bills. I handled my problems. I didn't ask for help. It's like I can do this. I am the man, I'm the woman. I can do everything. And I thought that made me powerful. But deep down, when I realized it, mm, it's kind of so tired. As a woman, I didn't want to be strong all the time. Yeah, I'm strong, but I need someone that will also be by my side. And I just didn't know how to stop, to grind, to hustle. Strength is not just independence. Real strength is when you know you need someone. You know that when to let someone in into your life. You know how to trust, to build life together, not just survive in this modern world. This is a part young women need to hear clearly. So listen carefully, guys and girls out there. You don't have to rush into love. Yes, that's totally okay. There's no rush in everything. But also, guys, girls, you don't also ignore the fact that when it comes to being older, there's a difference between I'm building my life and I'm avoiding commitment. And a lot of us confuse the two. If I could talk to my younger self, I would say to her, like, don't treat good men like they're replaceable. Your career will grow, but relationships need time too. Have time for that. Don't focus or don't confuse attention with genuine love. Learn emotional skills early, not just independence. Softness is not weakness, it's balance. One day you will realize it. I know for sure. Life isn't just about proving you can do everything alone. You need someone else. It's about building something meaningful together with the right people, with the right person, with the right man. And that takes a lot of timing, awareness, and humility. I'm not here to tell you what to choose. I'm just saying the fact, and I'm here to make sure you see clearly before you choose. Because once time passes, it will never be happen again. You don't get the same choices back when you were younger. If this helped you, share it with a younger sister, a friend, or even your future self. Thank you guys for watching. Love you. If you like this video, kindly likes and subscribe. Comment down below. Thank you.